30 pictures, 3 difficulty levels and 1 goal. Find the fruit. Test your attention and train your brain. Let's start with the easy level. Find the banana. That was easy, wasn't it? Find the odd apple. There's a lime hiding in the top left corner. Find the odd apple. That's actually a bell pepper. Find the lemon. Here it is! Find the odd watermelon. That's a honeydew melon. Find the cherry. It's here! Find the odd blueberry. That's a blackcurrant. Find the odd apple. That's a lime. Find the odd corn cob. Correct, that's a banana. Find the odd grape. That's a broccoli. Are you ready for the next level? Can you find the banana? It's hidden right in the middle. Find the odd apple. That's a kiwi. Find the banana. Here it is. Where's the kiwi? Here, top left. Find the odd corn cob. Correct, that's a banana. Find the lemon. Indeed, it's down here. Find the odd cherry. That's a strawberry. Find the lemon. Exactly, bottom left. Find the odd strawberry. Oh, that's a raspberry. Find the orange. It's hiding up on the left. Watch out, now it's getting difficult. Find the lemon. Here it is. Find the odd strawberry. There's a raspberry hiding here. Find the strawberry. It's right in the middle of the picture. Find the odd pepper. Oh, that's a chili pepper.
Subscribe to QuizMama.
Find the orange. Here it is. Find the odd banana. Oh, a lemon sneaked in. Find the odd tomato. Oh, that's a strawberry. Kiwi, where are you? Here I am. Find the odd banana. That's a lemon. Find the odd cucumber. That's actually a zucchini. How many fruits and veggies did you find? Tell us in the comments. Stay tuned and keep watching our videos.